Alright guys, just a quick video here on the M17. I got the full HD24 kit installed. I've already done videos on this, 1100 PSI, shooting around 100 joules with the riot balls, or the 9.9 coated steel balls from Home Defense 24. Yeah, so this time, I got a drum in here. I'm just going to try out, the whole point of this is now, I'm going to try out the power plenum bumper tube. See if we can get anything over 100. I'm just going to fire a couple shots just to test it out. But I got a couple in here I'm going to load in. So, here, let me just get this on the stand. I got 1100 PSI tank. I'm not going to be using a drum. I'm just going to be firing a couple shots. So, yeah, it's just a quick test here. I just want to see it because that power plant, I'm getting up to 35 joule increases in the umarex markers. So I just want to see if we can get any increase off the M17 with it, or if it's even worth it. Okay, let me just get this tank screwed in here. Okay. 'It's been a while since I shot this, the M17. I just hope it's lubed enough. I'm not doing anything special, I'm not lubing it up. I'm just gonna crack it up and fire it just to see. But anyways, guys, here it is. Yeah. Alrighty, so I'll gas it up. Okay, we are gassed. $465. What's going on here? Stupid fucking chronograph. Jesus. Needs a new battery. Alright, just want to fire a couple. And I don't have a degasser on here, so alright, so we're empty. Alright, 475 FPS. Yeah, not much difference with this marker. It didn't really work in this. We got about, it's 104 joules, so 3 joule increase. Could be a fluctuation. Either way, it's not worth it. I just want to see the increases. I could have fired more shots to see, but we got a baseline there, so yeah, I'm just gonna go with that. Anyways, that's pretty much it then, I guess. You guys all stay safe, take care, have fun.